As we start getting to these longer and wider timbers, the number 6 Fore Plane or the number 7 jointer really comes into their own. Number 6, very, very capable plane, the same width as the number 7, but the number 7 jointer is about 4 inches or 100 millimeters longer. This is going to be the ultimate plane for getting those long flat edges, jointing of tabletops, jointing of timber, and jointing basically means testing, trying. Fantastic, nice 60mm wide, plain blades for a pair of them, lots of heft, and they just want to keep on going through the work. The number 6 Fore Plane and the number 7 jointer are going to be fantastic on a shooting board. It's the length of this toe in front of the blade, but also the weight that you've got with those planes. We are getting full length end grain shavings. Those are all separate fibers, really sharp plane, keeping all those fibers together, but it's just like ribbon. If you're looking to do this longer and really accurate work, you need to be looking at the number 6 and number 7 jointer. These are ultimate for long and flat processing of timber. For more detail on the other Verum planes in the range, check out the individual videos. Look at us on Woodworkers Workshop and follow us on our social media channels.